English belt. Now the Sri Lankan 600 people tea collect, only ladies, because the traditional ladies tea collect, the men also work, men still maintain, firewood chop, machinery maintain, men do it. Workers live in company provided houses, company compounds, school, church, all the facilities. Okay? Workers only tackle papers because the English grass, then remove the lemongrass, then grow in tea plant. Okay? The tea plant scientific name Camellia sinensis. Okay? We have 1,200 hectares, 38 tea factories, 52,000 acres. Shoot down. You can look the corner in upstairs. Second step, rolling machine. 200 kilograms, 20 minutes, break in and crush. After crush leaves, put this machine roll breaker, vibrating sheaving machine, separate the small, medium and the bigger pieces separate. After separate tea pieces in the table 3 centimeter high, just keep it 2 hours on the table. And green tea and the black tea, but same tea leaves process different. Green tea totally different process. Green tea first reduce the moisture 20%. Black tea reduce 50. Green tea reduce 20. Second no. Come closer. After dry black tea become a 2 colors. You can look the black and the brown color. Black color tea leaves. Brown color tea stems. These stems were not used back to the plantation for the fertilizer as a compost recycling. Separate that machine. You can look at that roll electrostatic. The stems are lighter. Go up. Catch that roll. Take out the stems. Tea leaves heavy goes down. Okay.
So
After
that's the one you use for
fertilizer stems. Okay. After separate all the tea, we put this machine grading final step. That grading machine inside different size mesh sheaving machine. Separated different sizes, big, medium and the small particle. The bigger particle lighter taste, better without milk, without sugar. Smaller particle is stronger taste, better with milk and sugar. After use these pieces, you can reuse 3 times. Okay.
This is like a gold also, gold.
Yeah, gold. White tea 2 types, normally gold and the silver tips. But at the moment is finished gold and tips. We have only silver tips.